today I'm gonna do I'm gonna wake up my I'm gonna wake up Riley, which is my daughter. So and also this is all roleplay, so we don't mean anything. Good morning, Riley. It's time to wake up. I made you some breakfast. Okay, let me turn on your mirror lights. It's the morning. Okay, so you have to go like brush your teeth after your breakfast or before it, and like take a shower and like yeah. And like we're gonna go out today. Okay, sure, but not too much. Like just a bit of blush, some mascara, and a little bit of lip gloss. I mean, you're 12. You can wear makeup, but not too much. But good morning. Okay, I made some breakfast for Riley. Cat. If you're wondering where's Cat and Amber, I think so. They're at sleepovers or at practice. So they're gonna be back maybe in the afternoon or maybe tomorrow because you just went to a sleepover. Okay, so I already got changed. I'm into my outfit and I got to wait on Riley because she's taking forever. She's gonna change up. So she's just literally showing on her clothes. What should I do? Oh, I'm gonna watch some news. Like yesterday was Riley's birthday, but like I forgot to well, I didn't forget to do anything, but like, she's now 12. She's now preteen. Now she wrote. I think so. Like I don't know why she's showering with her clothes on, but I don't even care. I'm gonna check on her. Hi Riley, why were you showering with your clothes on? I mean, it's okay. You can come eat breakfast. I'm gonna get the car ready. Okay. I mean, at least eat something. Riley, wake up. You have to at least eat something. We're going out. Riley, wake up. Come on, let's go. Well, I mean, you have to eat something, so I just had to take you to the kitchen. Okay, we're gonna have a fun day. Here's some pancakes. And I'm gonna get you some orange juice. And if you drink your orange juice, I'm gonna get you some candy. And some candy. Here you go. Here you go. I'm gonna place this dish in the sink. Come on, Riley. We don't want to be late. We're going to the beach. Make sure to pack your swimsuit. I already did. It's already in the bag. Look. I'm gonna go get your swimsuit. Okay. Look, here's your swimsuit. I'm gonna put it in the bag. Some sunscreen, sunglasses, and towels. Okay. Go to the bathroom. Okay. Yeah, I got a pink glittery one. Come on, let's go. Okay, I mean for once, like he can sit in the front seat because we're going somewhere special. Okay, we just park out this car. Okay, stop sign. Oh, okay. I mean, there's more space, but I mean the rest isn't here, so that's okay. You know, you're really loud. Some peace and quiet. Finally. The others were loud. You're the one who's quiet. Okay. Come on, let's go. We have to change it to our swimming suit. Wanna go in the water? So yeah. Okay, come on. Yes, good. It's not probably. Okay, do you want some ice cream? Okay, come on. I'm gonna get some. What's one? I'm gonna get the vanilla one. Wait, let's see. Is there strawberry? Yeah, there is. Vanilla. Okay, do you want you can get your own ice cream. Here's $4. It costs $4. I'm gonna wrap the towel around me. Yes, I think so. You should. Wait, what kind of flavor? What flavor do you want? Riley, what flavor? Oh, sure. Okay. Hi, I would like one vanilla. Thank you. Oh. Okay. There you go. Okay, do you wanna go back home? I literally did that. And she almost broke her arm. Well, not her arm. She almost broke her leg. And her arm as well. So, like, make sure to not fall off. You don't want to end up like Cat. Okay, that's good. Oh! Oh! Oh my goodness, I want to get off right now. It's so slow. I don't know. I just drew it downstairs. I mean, I don't know how I got ice cream. I just drew it down. Who can even care? I mean, we're lettering, but I didn't even wait. This is so slow. No, let's just let it be. The other people could clean it up. I'll tell you when you could jump off. No, you're not. You're literally like 12 years old, and I'm like older than you. Okay, you could get off. Hey, excuse me. I'm only in my 20s. Come on, let's go home. Yeah, I mean, I'm almost 30, but that's still young. Okay, do you want to go to the pizza place or where do you want to go? Burgers, okay. After this, we have to get some gas. Okay. Okay, come on. Park. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna get some burgers. Hi, I'll like one burger with some Bloxy Cola. Well, not soda. Ah, are you a little bit too old for that? But I mean, it's okay. You can like it. Just give them their plate. I mean, this their plate. We're not gonna steal it. We're so nice. Okay. I mean, it's just it's just paper. Come on, honey. Oh. Okay. So we had to. Okay. Okay, so we had to go get some gas. Wait, stuck with me. Okay, I just need 13 gallons. Okay, so 12, now 13. $40. Okay, there you go. Now we're going home. It's getting a little bit late. Next time we should go home. Okay, Riley, we're home. Did I open it? Oh, Riley, get it. Riley, it's time for bed. Come on. Because look at that. No, it's 10. It was 7 like an hour ago. Look, it's 10. Come on. Come on, Riley. We have school tomorrow. Oh. Okay. Okay. Good night, Riley. Just change into your pajamas and Okay. You could just sing that, but come on, change, and I'll say goodnight to you. Okay, go change. Okay. Come on, go in bed. Yeah. because I can make it. But honey, just go in bed. It's really late. Okay, good night. I hope that you like this video. Make sure to like it, subscribe, and I made it with my friend. And none of this, whatever it roleplay, it's not real. It's just for acting and for your entertainment. And like the reason why I haven't been uploading that much is that because of school and like I didn't have time to make it. So bye guys.